I just want y'all to remember that, man. If y'all take anything else from this video, remember that a car can be replaced. You cannot be replaced. You are priceless. What's good, Pride Squad, man? It's your boy JR here. JRTProductions back with another video. And it's cold outside, man. I'm just getting in the car. It's about 52 degrees out right now, which is, to me, it's cold. To me, it's cold. But anyway, so you see the title, you see the thumbnail, and yes, I am okay. And any person that's associated in these pictures are okay as well. So a lot of y'all follow me on IG, and I talk to y'all, you know what I'm saying? You DM me on IG, I get back to you, you know what I'm saying? I like chopping it up with y'all, I really do. And a lot of times things happen, man. You know, we're not always in control of the things that happen in our lives. And car accidents are one of those things. And especially, you know, when it comes to driving, you can be as precautious as you want to be, you know, follow the rules and do what you're supposed to do, but you are not in control of what the next man does. You just really have to be careful, you know what I'm saying, when you're out here driving. And I want to talk this in particular about the cars that we drive, whether it's the Challenger, Charger, Mustang, Camaro, I mean, any car. Even if you don't have the kind, you know, this particular car, I know, you know, you might want it and you're working really, really hard to get it. You know what I mean? So, and that's great. But we got to remember, man, I just want to really share this with y'all, man. And I hope that, you know, it helps somebody. That I just want to share with y'all, like, we got to remember, like, these cars are not more important than our lives. We just really gotta remember that, you know what I'm saying? I mean, whether we're out here just driving and we might be texting, you know what I'm saying, you get a text message or a notification or something, you know, it's real easy and we think we got it, we want to just pull our phones out, you know what I'm saying, and you know, and do something else, multitask or whatever. And I'm guilty of it too. I am. I mean, a lot of times, a lot of the videos that I do, I'm driving and I'm holding the camera in one hand and I'm, you know, got my steering wheel, hand on the steering wheel in the other hand. So, but lately, you know, if I am actually driving at the time, I'll keep my eyes on the road and focus on what I'm doing while, you know, I'm talking with y'all too. But I just really wanted to try to raise some awareness, man. So it's a couple people that I know that hit me up on IG, you know what I'm saying, and they, I mean, it's crazy how it happens, but I'm running into a lot of people that like get new cars, new to them, whatever the case may be, and something happening, like they're getting into accidents a few months down the line after getting this brand new car, or, you know, new to them type of car. Most recently, it's actually a guy that, you know, he hit me up a long time ago on IG, and I think he had an RT at first, you know, a 5.7 at first, and he recently traded up and got him a Scat Pack. And it's a real nice looking Scat Pack, so I'm gonna put some pictures up. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can see the Scat Pack. It's real nice. It's a clean red Scat Pack. It's even one picture up here where, I mean, the sun just hitting that thing bright. You know what I'm saying? And it looks real good, man. Real good. You know, and I was really happy for him for, you know, getting it, because it's a goal. When you get a car like this, I mean, it feels like, to me, it's an accomplishment, because this is not just something that you can just walk into a dealership and just buy, unless you just got there's a shitload of money and just buy it cash. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have your credit right. You gotta have, you know, a down payment. You gotta know somebody. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of different factors when it comes to getting these types of cars. So, you know, I mean, big ups to him for, you know, for doing that. On YouTube, his username is C Batista. So I'll have that, you know, at the bottom of the screen. So if y'all want to go and check him out, you can. On IG, you know, I hope it's alright if I give out your IG too, but his username is CBAU 305809. So I'm gonna have both of those at the bottom of the screen. But anyway, Man, he hit me up a couple days ago, and he got in an accident. Somebody ran a red light and smacked this dude's car up. And he hit me up and told me what happened, whatnot. First thing I asked him, was he okay? You know what I'm saying? Because first and foremost, I mean, I don't give a damn about the car. It's a fucking car. You know what I mean? They got 100 million of these bitches out here in the world. You know what I'm saying? I don't give a fuck about the car. But you cannot be replaced. You know what I'm saying? People got families, kids, wives, brothers, sisters, mothers. You know what I'm saying? You got all these people out here that care about you. And, the last thing you want is to be, I guess, trying to avoid an accident or something, and you thinking about the car first. I mean, instinctually, that's what we do. It's a really, and I know I'm just kind of like going off the dome right here, to be honest with you, I am. But a lot of times we think about the car and how hard we work to get it, how much money we put into it, and we want to be safe. Like just by instinct, we want to protect ourselves. And I think at that last split second, you think about protecting yourself more so than the car. But initially, when you're about to get in an accident or something, you try to avoid. You try to swerve off, or you try to slow down or brake really hard, or in some cases speed up. You know what I'm saying? And you hit somebody, or somebody hits you. If somebody's not paying attention, you know what I'm saying? Then you get hit, and it sucks, man. It really sucks, because you're happy that you're alive, but at the same time you feel really bad because you just lost all of this money that you just, in some people's cases, invested. Let's say if you do YouTube like myself, all the money that you invested in a vehicle, and you can't get it back. You really can't. Cars don't appreciate, they depreciate as soon as you drive off the lot. Y'all know that. You lose thousands of dollars immediately. So, it really sucks that it's like that, man. But we got to remember that, these are just cars. Insurance is there for a reason, you know what I mean? And the last thing I want to say, actually, I got another one too. It's actually a guy that I actually met downtown Atlanta. I never forget, I was driving down Lee Road. I was driving down Lee Road in Atlanta, and this guy's IG 404.Matt. 404.Matt, real cool dude, you know what I'm saying? He had a gray 392 Charger Scat Pack. Real clean car, man, real clean car. So I saw him, met him, you know what I'm saying, and he followed me, and I follow him, and I actually looked at his stuff. So I'll put his IG down at the bottom too, so y'all can see and go check him out. But he recently got in an accident as well, so I'll try to put his pictures down here so y'all can see what his car is looking like. I didn't talk to him, he didn't DM me, I just kind of saw it through the feed or whatever, and but I was just happy to know that he was cool, you know what I'm saying, that he was good, and he had no issues, no injuries, anything like that. And a few days later, got him another one. And, I don't know how it works out that way, to be able to just go and get another one. Which I understand, insurance and stuff kicks in, and some people, in some cases, insurance kicks in faster than others. But I'm glad that he's okay. And I don't know, man. I ultimately, and I'm about to go on in this video, I just want y'all to really be aware out here. Just stay woke in these streets, man. Watch out for yourself first and foremost. It's just a car. It can be replaced. I know we work hard for them. We want to enjoy them and have fun, but the car can be replaced. You can't be. You know what I'm saying? You can't be. A lot of times, and I've seen thousands and thousands of accidents, man. And I'm the type of person, when something life or death related, something life-threatening like that is the reason why y'all don't see me acting crazy, you know what I'm saying? Like doing donuts and burnouts, and I might speed every now and then, but you ain't gonna see a whole lot of people around me. You know what I mean? I won't put anybody else's lives in danger. But that's why y'all really don't see me acting too crazy, because I know all these accidents happen and people lose their lives over car accidents. I mean, I go to the gym and work out. I see people, even not just cars, but even motorcycles. People have lost limbs, you know what I'm saying? And I see them in the gym and they still working out. And that's when I think, first thing comes to my mind when I'm in the gym, it's like, oh man, I ain't got no excuse. I need to be in here grinding, getting it. If this man can do it and he ain't got an arm, or if this man can do it and he ain't got no leg, or if this man can do it and he in a wheelchair, you know what I'm saying? I think about stuff like that. But anyway, yeah, the car can be replaced. You can't be replaced. So man, I just want y'all to remember that, man. If y'all take anything else from this video, remember that a car can be replaced. You cannot be replaced. You are priceless and you are important. Somebody out there cares for you and loves you. You need to get back home to them. Point blank period. Point blank period. So that's all I got to say about that, man. Shout out to C Batista for shooting me for DMing me the photos, and I'm glad you all right, dog. I know you're gonna come back even stronger, you know what I'm saying? It's like I said, it's just a car, you know what I'm saying? And the person that ran the red light, I saw that the car was flipped. I don't know if they're okay. I really hope that they're okay too. They fucked up. It happens, you know what I'm saying, if you're not aware and not paying attention, but I hope that they're okay too. The other guy, 404.Matt, I'm glad that he's back in another scat pack, you know what I'm saying? He's living his best life again as well. But y'all just make sure y'all stay blessed, man, out here in these streets, and stay safe. For sure, for sure. So, that being said, man, if you're on IG, you can always reach me there. JRTProductions 3, Snapchat J_rocks3. Again, it's 50 degrees outside, so go online and buy your merch. I got hoodies, I got t-shirts. I even got leggings for women, man, if y'all get your lady some or something like that. But again, man, JRT Productions, man, y'all stay safe out here in these streets. Alright, till the next time, I'm out. Peace. Shit. Oh yeah, one more thing before I go. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and I ain't never said this in a video, but I'm gonna say it in this one. Share it. Share this video, man. If you got somebody who's thinking about getting one of these sports cars, a Challenger or a Charger or whatever, and go and share this video with them, man. If they don't want to listen to you, then maybe they'll listen to me on the video. Share it with them, man. Let them hear it, let them know it, because I don't want nothing to happen to none of y'all out here. You know what I'm saying? I don't want nobody to get in an accident. I don't want nobody to lose their lives over trying to, attain something like this, or having too much fun, or I don't fucking know what to say, man. But share this video with somebody, man, and just to help kind of raise awareness to just be safe. Do that for me. I'm going this time for real. All right, peace.